6th Street, got a fire. They got the fire trucks. They got two fire trucks here, guys. On East Nash Fire Department. Probably a little fire they got going on in the apartment here. We're going live. We're going live. Eight. Yep. Not going on. Trying to. It's not going live. Can't go live. Hold it, just in case. I'm trying to go live, but I can't. We're here.
Live.
Welcome everybody. We're here in EVPA, Pennsylvania. We have a house. Well, it's not a house fire, probably. Probably like a little fire, kitchen fire or something. They got the apartment smoke alarms going off. We're down on East 6th Street and Ash, 6th and Ash, people. 6th and Ash. That traffic is a little slowed down. People, let y'all know that.
Yeah, filming that.
Yeah. We're down here. Little fire probably. They got the fire chief out here, one of the fire chiefs. They got the alarm going off. Turn the new live,
I really want to follow it.